Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good and studying at home. Take care of your health. Stay home and stay safe. Today we are going to study the fourth lesson of class third. So let us start our studies. And the name of the lesson is Nouns, Common, Proper, and Collective. We have already learned that names of people, places, animals, birds, or things are called nouns. So, let us read the kinds of nouns. First is proper nouns. A particular name of a person, place, or a thing is called a proper noun. For example, Rosie, Jaipur, Delhi, Bapunagar, the Qutub Minar, the Rajghat, Mr. Rastogi, Juliet, etc. These are all proper nouns. Remember, proper nouns are the names of people, countries, books, rivers, months of the year, days of the week, newspapers, special days, buildings, festivals. So now read the following sentences. Mr. D'Souza is the president of the company. So here, what is proper noun? Mr. D'Souza is a proper noun. Number 2, she's planning to visit Kathgodam. So what is proper noun here? Kathgodam. Number 3, Turkey is a beautiful place. So Turkey is a proper noun. Number 4, the banks of Yamuna are very dirty. So, what is proper noun here? Yamuna. Number 5, the Mahabharata talks about the Pandavas. So, Mahabharat and Pandavas are proper noun. Number 6, China is a neighboring nation. So, what is proper noun here is China. Okay, so let us move to page number 20. Number 7, Jupiter is the biggest planet. So Jupiter is proper noun. Number 8, the last month of the year is December. So proper noun is December. Number 9, Sunday is always a holiday. So Sunday is a proper noun. Number 10, Jaipur is called the pink city of India. So Jaipur is proper noun and also India is also a proper noun. The underlined words in the sentences depict proper nouns. Okay, now let us move to common nouns. What are common nouns? A general name of the person, place, animal, or a thing is called a common noun. For example, man, woman, lion, hen, flower, balloon, etc. Read the following sentences. Number 1, the man is sleeping. Here, what is common noun? Man, admi. Number 2, she is drawing water from the well. So, what will be the common noun here? Well. Number 3, children are playing in the park. So, what will be the proper common noun here? Children and park. Number 4, book is on the table. So common noun will be book and table. Number 5, my pencil is blunt. So common noun will be pencil. Number 6, balloons are red, blue and green. So common noun here will be balloons. Number 7, she is eating an ice cream. So common noun will be ice cream. Number 8, the leaf is very small. So common noun will be leaf. Number 9, all the animals are resting under a tree. So common noun will be animals and tree. Number 10, the girls are dancing on the stage. Okay, so here common noun will be girls and stage. So now think and answer. A question listed below are the few words. Identify the common and the proper nouns and write them in the correct column. So some words are given here. You have to identify the common noun and the proper noun, and then you have to write them in the table on page number 21. So let us read what are the words. Example: picture, Ganges, January, Christmas, Delhi, Sunday, arm, Taj Mahal, leg, nail, crow, poppy, bag, Sarita, chair, Rahul, pencil, China, red, Independence Day. Okay, so let us move to page number 21. So now see this table: common nouns and proper nouns. So which words are common noun? Picture, arm, leg, nail, crow, bag, chair, pencil and red are common nouns, and proper nouns are Ganges, January, Christmas, Delhi, Sunday, Taj Mahal, Poppy, Sarita, Rahul, China and Independence Day. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा कि प्रॉपर नाउन्स जो होते हैं वो सिर्फ एक ही होते हैं, पर्टिकुलर जिसका नेम होता है वही प्रॉपर नाउन्स होते हैं. जैसे जनवरी, क्रिसमस, होली, दिवाली, ये सब एक ही होते हैं, इसलिए ये प्रॉपर नाउन्स होते हैं. और कॉमन नाउन्स में देखिए, पिक्चर बहुत सारी होती है, इसलिए कॉमन नाउन्स में आते हैं. क्रो भी बहुत होते हैं. बैग भी अलग अलग होते हैं. चेयर्स, पेंसिल, रेड, नील, तो ये सब गर्ल्स, बॉयज़, ये सब क्या है? कॉमन नाउन्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू बी क्वेश्चन, दैट इज underline the proper nouns in this sentences. Number 1 is Independence Day is an important day in India. So the proper noun is Independence Day and India. Now number 2, the Taj Mahal is built with white marbles. So Taj Mahal भी हमारे पूरे इंडिया में एक ही है, इसलिए ये proper noun है. नंबर 3, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया इज़ अ फेमस न्यूज़पेपर. नाउ अब यहाँ पे न्यूज़पेपर का नेम दिया हुआ पर्टिकुलर, इसलिए टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया है प्रॉपर नाउन. नंबर 4, दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय ऑल. सो दिवाली इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. Number 5, Delhi is very hot in June. So Delhi and June is a proper noun. Number 6, my father is working in Jaipur. So Jaipur is a proper noun. Number 7, Doraemon is a famous cartoon. So Doraemon is a proper noun. Number 8, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. So Mahatma Gandhi is a proper noun. Number 9, English is my favorite subject. So English is the proper noun. Number 10, Jimmy is a handsome man. So Jimmy is a proper noun. So students, let us move to page number 22. So see question, underline the common nouns in the sentences. Number 1, the cake is on the table. So the common noun is here is cake and table. Number 2, my teeth are white. So common noun is teeth. Number 3, the tailor is making the shirt. So common noun will be tailor and shirt. Number 4, children are in the park. So common noun will be children and park. Number 5, dog is in the kennel. So dog and kennel are common nouns. Number 6, the birds are chirping. So birds are common noun. Number 7, the worker is sitting outside the factory. So common noun will be worker and factory. Number 8, parrots are on the tree. So common noun will be parrots and tree. Number 9, father is driving a car. So common noun will be father and car. Number 10, the house is very big. So common noun will be house. So let us move to D question. Read the circled words carefully and write C for common noun and P for proper noun in the boxes. Number 1, earth is very big. So earth is a proper noun. So you have to write P. The river is flowing under the bridge. So what is bridge? Bridge here is common noun. Number 3, we do not go to school on Sunday. So Sunday here is proper noun. She is a beautiful woman. So woman here is common noun. Number 5, Christmas falls in December. So Christmas is proper noun. Number 6, books are on the table. So number 6, table is common noun. Number 7, America is a very big country. So America is proper noun. Number 8, pencil is made of wood. So wood is common noun. Number 9, Pihu is dancing beautifully. So Pihu is a proper noun. Lion is a fearful animal. So animal is common noun. So students, आपने देखा कि अर्थ एक ही है हमारा. संडे भी 7 डेज में एक ही बार आता है. क्रिसमस साल में एक की बार आता है. अमेरिका इज़ अ बिग कंट्री. अमेरिका इज़ कंट्री का नेम है. पीहू किसी स्टूडेंट का नेम है, बच्चे का नेम है. तो जो जिस वस्तु का स्पेसिफिक नेम हो, पर्टिकुलर नेम हो, दैट इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. और बाकी सब जो हैं जैसे वुमेन, ब्रिज, टेबल, वुड, एनिमल, ये सब है कॉमन नाउन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस. सो लेट अस मूव टू पेज नंबर 23. So on 23 page, do the equation, that is write the names of 5 common nouns around you. You can write any names around you. I have written table, children, books, car, driver. We can also write boys, girls, man, woman. Okay, so equation, F question, write the names of the 5 proper nouns around you. I have written Sunday, July, English, Taj Mahal, and sun. Okay, so let us move to collective nouns. A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, birds, or things. For example, a flock of sheep, a bunch of bananas, an army of soldiers, a swarm of bees. Read the following collective nouns: a herd of cattle, a class of students, a pride of lions, a litter of puppies, a bunch of keys, a team of players, a bundle of sticks, a crowd of people, a library of books, a bucket of flowers. Let us move to 24 page. So come to page number 24. Think and answer. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. So look at number 1, that is flowers picture is given. So what will you say? A bucket of flowers. Number 2, a bunch of bananas. Number 3, a team of players. Number 4, a crowd of people. Number 5, a bundle of sticks. Number 6, a litter of puppies. Number 7, a pride of lions. Number 8, a library of books. Number 9, a class of students. And last, 10th number, a bunch of keys. Okay, likewise you have to complete this book and do all these activities in your grammar book. And those who don't have grammar book, they can write in any grammar copy and revise this lesson again and again. Okay, and start learning.